This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Christina DiFilippo. This 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath manufactured home sits on just over 2 acres of land. This is an open floor plan with nice size rooms throughout the main living space, including a large family room with a stacked stone fireplace. Just a few minutes away from all of the amenities that Teays Valley, Hurricane has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Christina DiFilippo at 304-201-7653.